How's it going, YouTube? I'm Tyler and welcome to episode 3 on the Project CB500 series on the Official Moto channel. So, just a quick recap on the series so far. Episode 1, I gave the front brakes a complete overhaul and refurbishment from top to bottom. Episode 2, I stripped down the front forks, made them look like new again and rebuilt them with all new seals and guides. And today, in episode 3, as promised, I'm getting rid of this manky old exhaust system for a brand new full system by Delkevic. Enough of me talking, let's get started on getting the old exhaust system off the bike. I'll make a start by removing all 4 exhaust stud nuts. Top tip, if you're finding them hard to get off, start the bike up and let the engine run for 5 minutes to get nice and warm. Then have a go at undoing the nuts. Be careful as the engine and exhaust will be hot. Next, I'll remove the lower mount bolt. Followed by the end can bracket. With all that done, I can now go ahead and remove the whole exhaust as one unit. So that's the old manky exhaust system off the Honda. Before we make a start on fitting a new exhaust system, I've got one little issue I need to address first. That little issue is this bike has no pillion pegs, as the previous owner cut them off to be able to fit the high level exhaust system. Luckily for us, a quick ask about on the Honda Owners group on Facebook, and we managed to get some second-hand ones which had the pillion pegs included as well. So I'm going to unbolt the ones on the bike and change them for these. That's the new foot peg assembly, all done. Now let's go have a look at the new exhaust system. This is what we got from Delkevic and it cost around the £300 mark. Some stainless steel exhaust headers, which look rather nice. Very smart. A link pipe, also has a bracket for a centre stand if your bike has one. End can clamp. Some new copper exhaust gaskets, exhaust sealant post, and some stickers. Everyone likes some stickers. But the one part you're almost probably looking forward to seeing, the new end can. It's a 343 oval exhaust system. Stainless steel with a carbon tip. Comes with a baffle, but overall, as a complete system for £300, I think it's a bit of a bargain. Should look good and hopefully sound good as well. I use a dab of grease to help the new exhaust gasket stick into place. Don't forget to remove the old ones before fitting the new ones. Wiggle the new downpipes into place and loosely do up the lower mount bolt. Slide the flanges over the exhaust studs, then do up all 4 exhaust stud bolts evenly. With all 4 exhaust bolts done up, I can now go ahead and tighten the lower mount bolt. To start off with, I dry fit the link pipe and end can and line everything up. Using a board pen, I draw some markers on the exhaust to help me later on. Then I remove the end can and link pipe. Get the exhaust sealant supplied by Delkevic and spread a good amount all over the end of the downpipes. Now fit the link pipe, line it up to your markers and do up the exhaust clamp. With the link pipe done, I can now do the same with the end can. I wipe off any excess sealant before it has time to dry. Then the final thing to do is fit the exhaust can bracket. And that's it, job done. It looks good, but let's hear it. And there you have it, YouTube, job done. I've just been out for a ride, and let me know what you think of the exhaust system in the comments. Overall, I'm really happy with it. I think it looks good, it sounds really good, it's not too much on the noise neither, and overall, it performs really well on the bike. That's going to be it for this episode, but if you've liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and to hit the notifications button to be notified when episode 4 comes out. Because in episode 4, I'm going over all the electronics on this bike, replacing the battery, fixing the broken indicators, dealing with the sticky switchgear, and a few other little gremlins this bike has. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching Fish La Moto.